Hi, 6th grade. Here's an overview of the Mission to Mars project and instructions on how to download it onto your computer. The mission, the goal of the mission is to complete astronaut training, pack a box that's already on the spaceship, you'll see it, of 27 items to bring with you to Mars. And to figure out what those 27 items are, you have to complete training by going into that big building and talking with and interacting with the people in that building. Once you're on Mars, the goal is to build a colony that will support 20 colonists. So you're going to think of how are they going to eat, where are they going to sleep, what do they need to support their physical and mental well-being. They will be living on Mars. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm now going to show you how to download the world. You're going to go to Schoology, open the Space Unit, then you're going to open lesson number 15, then you're going to click on the Mission to Mars link, click this button here, and you're going to scroll down, Mission to Mars World Download. It's going to take you to a Google Drive, and then you're going to click this download button. It's going to bring up this window. Once this is done downloading, you're just going to click it and it's going to open in Minecraft EDU. You're going to log in just like you normally do, and it's going to bring you into a world with a spaceship and a big building. The building is where you're going to do astronaut training, and then the spaceship, you're going to read the signs and it'll tell you where to load the cargo and where to go to start your mission. All right, let me know if you have questions. I'll see you soon.